In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siril for stacking. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the Siril tools to stack your astrophotography images. So, to do this, organize your astrophotography data. So you will have to set it up like this. Create a main folder on your project. You can name whatever you wish. For example, the Orion Nebula project. And inside of the main folder that you have, you will set up 4 folders like these: lights, biases, darks, and flats. You need these specific names. Lights will contain your primary exposure images of your target. Biases will contain the shortest possible exposures with the lens cap on. Darks will be exposures with the same duration and ISO as your lights, lens cap on. And finally, flats are going to be images of a uniformly lit surface taken with the same optical path. I won't go into too much more detail about this, so if needed, do your own research. But once you have all of your pictures properly spread out across these 4 folders, titled exactly that, biases, darks, flats, lights, you can launch the Siril application. You can move them into pictures as well. It also helps to move from your project into the main pictures folder on your computer. And inside of Siril, go into scripts and use the OSC pre-processing script. With this done, you just have to run this particular script and it is going to stack all of the images for you. So a lot of things will be done on the console. You will be able to see the progress, and once it is done, you will find a result.fit image available on your pictures folder or wherever you chose the script to run. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Siril for stacking. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.